That's right. Thank you very much, Evelina and Marta. I so much appreciate it. Actually, Evelina just raised one very interesting topic of Venice and how there are 30 Solaris electric buses and how they just board the ferry so that they can travel between the islands. I know that you were involved in that project.
Yes, I did. And I was involved also from the technical aspects. For me, it was a really interesting and challenging solution because it was the first time in this contract when we introduced the ES Connect monitoring for both buses and the chargers.
That's incredible. Łukasz Chełchowski is the bus development director, and Dariusz Adamczyk is our engineer, design engineer. And it's great to be joined by you. I think ES Connect was also part of that project, right?
Yes, it was. It was, and that's why I was also the part of this. And we, together with the customer, design, and also together with the supplier of the chargers, design how we can monitor in one view on the web page the chargers and the buses to be sure that everything works and the bus which operates the city can go to the charger and fully charged.
Yeah, and those are high power buses, right?
No, batteries. High
energy?
High energy batteries.
Okay, then it's a new piece of information to me, but you guys really need to make sure that they actually are always charged, so that's why you need ES Connect, right?
Correct.
That's nice. You work together. I know that you are both on one team, and I wonder, Darek, how many years have you spent with us, and what batteries, what role do they play in this?
In Solaris, I'm since 2015, and over this time, a lot has happened in the battery industry branch. We have seen a lot of development, not only in terms of technology that was rapidly growing and changing over time, but also all of these parameters, the energy density values, the power density values. So basically, there was a lot of challenge from our side to deliver the best product for our customers. However, I think we are still on the newest side of the technology, so everything goes well.
I think so. You guys are top notch. Let's just say that because the range of buses is still growing, and I'm really proud of that. Maybe the reason for that is that you guys are just so talented. I noticed this one thing about both of you. You both graduated from the Poznań University of Technology, so this is where all the talent comes from, everybody. And I just wanted to say that I'm really looking forward to your presentation about batteries. So let's just start.
We believe that different ways can lead to the electromobility. That's why in Solaris we develop main three pillars of our product, which are battery buses, fuel cell buses, and trolley buses. Looking deeper at battery buses, we can observe that the number of registered ones in European Union increased during last years and achieved amazing growth of 276% between the years 2018 and 2020. Significant part of them comes from Solaris factory. And how it looks in batteries aspect. Darek, tell us something more about the energy density growth during last years.
Since the very beginning, as soon as we started the production of the battery buses, we used the most modern battery solutions in the world. The successfully introduced high-energy battery technologies were characterized by increasing energy density, which has a direct impact on the autonomy of the vehicle. When there was a significant demand for battery buses, which Łukasz mentioned a moment ago, there was a breakthrough, and in 2019, battery capacities close to 400 kilowatt-hours were already available in a 12-meter bus, and over 550 kilowatt-hours in the articulated 18-meter-long bus.
Darek, thank you for the explanation and great information about the energy density. It is worth to mention that Solaris Bus & Coach always puts lots of effort to satisfy customer needs. It's part of our DNA. That's the reason why we offer high-energy batteries, which are mainly, but not only, dedicated for buses covered long distances on one charge, and high-power batteries, which are intended for fast inner-city charging solutions. Thanks to the use of various innovative technologies, we can provide customers with batteries ideally suited to their requirements. Darek, the chart beside you presents the graphical comparison of battery technology, high energy and high power, looking on the key parameters, doesn't it?
Yes, indeed. As you can see on the graph, the high energy batteries are characterized by the high energy density and decent price. On the other hand, high power batteries have relatively long lifetime and give the possibility of fast charging thanks to their high power density. In cities well infrastructured and fast chargers, they give the opportunity to achieve almost 24-hour per day operability, keeping low bus weight and maximizing passengers' capacity. Up to now, we deliver to our customers around 2/3 of high energy batteries, and the rest of share were high power batteries. As you can see on the graph, the most common sold configurations were around 120 kWh, which were connected to high power batteries, and between 250 and 400 kWh related to high energy solution.
Darek, and how it looks today? What do we have in the offer now?
We still have two types of the batteries, high energy batteries and high power batteries. The high power batteries are the perfect solution for fast charging. It is possible to achieve up to 540 kilowatts of charging power. On the other hand, high energy with capacity up to 700 kilowatt hours are suitable for large range distances on a single charge. The 700 kilowatt hours are available in our Solaris Urbino 24 electric. In the same bus, you can achieve up to 210 kilowatt hours of high power batteries. Here you can see how it looks for our different types of the vehicles. Articulated 18-meter long bus, 15-meter low entry bus, the most popular 12-meter long bus, and the newest one, the 9-meter low entry bus, which premiere was a few days ago. Currently, we can offer up to 10 years of battery warranty for both types of our battery technologies. We always calculate it individually for each cases. We deliver tailor-made solutions. In order to achieve the best one for our customers, we are analyzing all of the aspects affecting the behavior of the vehicle. The results of feasibility study allow our customer to obtain the vehicle perfectly fit for its application. We do not only provide the vehicle, but the whole process of choosing not only batteries, but also charging infrastructure. In order to type the most beneficial solutions to our customer, together with the customer, we fill the inquiry list that gathers all of the input data regarding vehicle operation for the tender. Among the most important information that we take into analysis are the climate, topography, road characteristic, and all other tender book requirements. Based on that, we are able to calculate the propulsion system power demand. With all of the heating, ventilating, air conditioning, but also with the analysis of battery thermal behavior, and based on that, we are able to estimate the energy consumption for our customer and to check what is the maximum length of the warranty we can offer to our customer. Each simulation and each feasibility study is finished with the report that we send to our customer. With this report, the customer is able to fully understand the solution we have proposed. Up to now, we have done over 3,500 feasibility studies.
Wow, that's really impressive number. Thank you, Darek, for bringing the topic closer. Ladies and gentlemen, what we can observe around us is rapid increase of carriers' interest in zero-emission solutions all over Europe. In Solaris Bus & Coach, the share of alternative drives buses grows constantly and achieved 29% in 2018 and 44% in 2020. It can be expected that within the following years, there will be a significant increase in the number of batteries not suitable for longer use in electric buses. Lithium-ion cells, which parameters are no longer optimal for powering vehicles, are still good enough to be used in industrial energy storages. Used battery packs are evaluated and prepared for the second life application. Stationary energy storage system can be used to support a power network. We are currently involved in few projects which the target is to recognize and prove all values comes from battery's second life. Darek, I think it's time for summary.
Yes. Solaris Bus and Coach offers different types of batteries depending on operator needs, who can count on full e-mobility package, including support from our battery experts. We develop new battery technologies in terms of capacity, charging power, weight, lifetime, and other important parameters. To achieve great results, we cooperate with the best battery cell, module, and pack suppliers.
And what about the question? What will be the future technology of batteries?
That is a good question, Łukasz. For sure, the next battery technologies will provide the better energy and power density values, which I strongly believe you can see soon.
Thank you, Darek,
Thank
and
you.
thank you all for your attention.